Today's live chat is I'll share with you 4 low budget marketing hacks for e-commerce. Actually, not only for e-commerce, for any online business. Getting started with marketing for your online store does not have to be expensive. And today, I'm going to share with you the 4 no-cost to low-cost marketing hacks for your online business. Especially if you are just starting out, right? Do not spend huge money on marketing because you are going to be on a very tight budget to run your business. That's why I'm going to share with you the 4 no-budget or low-budget marketing hacks to help you to drive traffic to your online store without eating your profit margin. How great is that? Right? And the best part is that you can start implementing all these low-budget marketing hacks right away today. And for me, I personally love to use the second hacks because it brings me a lot of sales consistently. So stay with me to the end of this section to find out which one should use the best. These online marketing hacks can apply to almost all online business, and they are surely can increase your conversion. So be it whether you are at the print on demand business or drop shipper or e-commerce business, all these hacks are applicable to your business. And if you are first time here, welcome. I'm Vernette. I'm an e-commerce coach, coaching my student on how to kickstart e-commerce business and how to grow e-commerce business. Without further ado, let's dive into our very first marketing hacks. The first marketing hacks is to use email to drive free targeted traffic to your store. However, the thing is to remember about email marketing is when someone gives you their email address, they have communicate to you that they are really interested in your product. And second, you can keep in touch with them whenever you have promotions or you have reasons for them to come back to your store and buy repeatedly from you. You can use email these people about the sales, about special offer, any promotions or limited time offer. And best of all, email to this targeted audience are free of charge. If you use a free email marketing service provider, there are a lot of them, such as MailChimp, Gmail. These are free for use. And you are building your store, make sure you are paying attention to get the way to get the email address from your potential customers. And the second hack is right, advertise the best-selling low-tickets product. This is my favorite. And the rules of thumb is you need to spend triple the product cost to advertise before you start getting sales. So what does this mean? For example, if you have a product that costs you $10, it could cost as much as $30 to advertise online before you start getting sales. If you have a product in your store that costs much lesser, it means it will cost less to advertise. And if you advertise low-ticket products, customers are more likely to buy because they are less expensive. They don't need to think so much before they click on the buy button. So another bonus for this low-budget marketing strategy is that if you use your less expensive product to drive traffic to your store, you can always upsell them and get them to shop for your more expensive product once they landed in your online store. The third hack is explore new and untapped social media platforms. The latest social media platform is TikTok, right? You can use TikTok to drive traffic to your store because whenever there is this new social media platform come out, the rules and regulations are not tight. A lot of way to promote your service, promote your product, drive the traffic to your store using the TikTok. And TikTok, there are 400 million daily active users, meaning there are huge opportunity for you to get in front of this audience early. The only thing is right, TikTok have a lot of changes because it is new. So you just need to bear with them from time to time. You as a business owner, you need to spend time to research and keep an eye to see what are the new social media platforms that are untapped yet. Untapped means less competitions. The fourth hack, right, is to build a trustworthy community. For this to happen, it does require some work and time. These strategies involve building a community with content on social media platform, on blog, on your website. So many times when people think about advertise their products, they think about creating the paid ads. But when you're just starting out, right, as I mentioned, perhaps you are on the tight budget. So you may not have such huge money to spend on marketing yet. So you build on trustworthy community, even though it takes some work and sometimes you will see the rewards afterwards. The bottom line is, right, if you are willing to put in the work and spend hours a day to creating an social media community with great content, interact with the people who are leaving you a comment or like or share, then you can drive a lot of free traffic to your store on an ongoing basis without spend a single cent. But you must invest a tons of time and effort instead of dollar to get to that point. So instead of you spend the money, now you spend the effort and time to nurture your community, to interact with them, to give them value, to give them great content that they love. You can also grow this, say, on Facebook group. It is very famous and very popular to grow Facebook page, Facebook group as a product, as a brand. Just keep in mind that you have to wait a while to grow the community, to grow the followers before you start advertise to this group of people. If you advertise too early, right, the group may leave because the trust have not built yet. I hope all these 4 low budget marketing hacks are helpful, and share with me which marketing hack you would implement in your business today.